Hey, what's up guys, Matt Shiny here, come back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about what no sale might mean for the CSGO investing market. Now we talked a little bit in the past about what a sale might mean, however it's not very crystal clear what no sale might mean. There's a couple different factors I want to go over, and it might actually be more of a benefit to you if there's no sale. We're going to talk a little bit about that. Obviously Stockholm 2021 items might not see the same amount of growth, however we might see that growth somewhere else. But as always guys, if you're looking to pick up any CSGO skins using real cash, I've got a couple links in the description. Otherwise, let's hop on into it. First up here, we got to talk about Stockholm 2021 items. Now, obviously, if the items are starting off at $1 or even $1.10, there's going to be significantly less room to grow. That being said, though, I don't know if it really makes a ton of sense for Valve to do a sale looking at these prices already. I mean, we've got some stickers that are going for 5, 7, 10 cents, and they're pretty decent teams. Like Heroic is a pretty nice team, and some other things like that. Obviously, that's not something we're going to be using to evaluate the odds if there's going to be a sale or not. The problem is we can't really evaluate how likely a sale is, but it's very interesting in my opinion how for RMR, prices only really crashed. I like to say crashed because we went to 3 cents pretty much worldwide, pretty much your bare market minimum worldwide for a lot of teams. And here we're already seeing some of that. Now, not 3 cent levels, but for a capsule that costs 4 times more, you think the bare minimum would be like 12-ish, maybe even 15-ish cents, and we've got teams that are at 7, 10, 11, 13, 15 cents. So there's definitely a bit of a lower price point here already. Looking at investments overall though, these stickers are very nice, and I'm probably going to be picking some up either way, whether there's a sale or not. However, I don't think a sale is really going to help investors that much. The only reason it would help investors is because these capsules are starting off at a much lower price point, and it's going to be significantly easier to double your money. If you're going from 25 cents to 50 cents, that's extremely easy compared to the road of $1 to $2. I think that's the only thing that's really looking beneficial to investors, plus the amount that they can pick up. If these capsules go from 25 cents to $1, that's 4 times your money, and if you've got 4 times more capsules, you're going to be looking much better. Overall though, for Stockholm 2021, at least capsule wise, because that's where we'd mainly be looking to see a sale, I think there's definitely going to be some beneficial aspects to a sale, especially with that lower price point already. However, I don't know if it's really going to be playing that much of an impact long term. We saw how RMR was so overly invested into that the prices right now are struggling. We got some that are below what people paid for it. If no sale comes in, does that mean we see significantly less investors and therefore significantly easier growth? Are we going to see a 10-cent gain from $1.15 to $1.25 very fluidly? Otherwise, because there's just so many fewer people investing. RMR was heavily overly invested into, and partially because of that sale. That sale lasted so long and so many people got in. However, if we're looking here, it definitely might be interesting to ponder the idea that because there is no sale, it might be a little bit easier at getting profit. And the other edge of that is obviously that since these prices are 4 times higher, it's going to be 4 times harder at least to make sure that the price goes up, but it's definitely an interesting thought. The other big aspect we gotta talk about is the market in general. Now, when Riptide came out, the market prices pretty much crashed, and they haven't really fully recovered on most items. You can see with the graph of the breakout case here that it has just gone down significantly and hasn't made a recovery. If there's no sale, that recovery might be able to start sooner than expecting. I think right now people are selling off a pretty decent amount of their items because they're worried that a 75% sale will come and they're going to lose potentially 10, 15, maybe even 20% of their value on most items, and I think that's scaring a lot of people. That's why we've seen prices kind of flatline here. As you noticed on that graph, the prices have kind of stagnated since the beginning of like November even. Even if you're going all the way back to when the Riptide crash happened, we haven't seen any real growth, especially because of Riptide being out, and that major sale potentially being on the horizon is just worsening this altogether. From an investment standpoint, I don't think that no sale is a really bad option. Looking at like the breakout case, like I said, we're looking at a very good opportunity for some pretty significant growth. The glove case, the breakout case definitely have the demand there, especially with how many are being unboxed. I think there's definitely going to be an incline in price if we don't see a sale here. I think that an incline in price is pretty much guaranteed. Now, I don't say guaranteed a lot, and this is obviously not guaranteed, but looking in my opinion, I think it's a very profitable if you're able to get in now, potentially if there's no sale. Plus, we've got all these holidays coming up very soon that I think the prices are going to rise no matter what. Now, that is my opinion, and you should definitely be able to do your own research and check out and look at other people's opinions and compare it to how it lines up with your own. However, in my opinion, I'm pretty confident that we've got some pretty smooth sailing on the horizon here, especially if there's no sale. Lastly then, I want to hit on RMR, because RMR actually plays a pretty big impact here, or rather this could play a pretty big impact on RMR. Now I'm going to be talking about the Legends capsule, since that's the most popular, it's got the most on the market, and it's the highest in price point. Now it's very interesting that the prices have also pretty much stagnated after the Stockholm 2021 capsules have released, and we saw these stickers there. People have definitely preferred those, and I definitely agree that those are significantly better than the RMR stickers. However, are they going to be 4 times better is the question. Now, stickers obviously don't go linearly, but it's definitely a pondering question that I have, because it's very interesting to see that the prices here have stagnated as well. But if there's no sale, I predict that we would definitely see a slight increase in price, as people are going to tend to opt towards these stickers if they're 4 times cheaper than Stockholm 2021 stickers. You can get a gold sticker from the RMR for just around $1, potentially $2. However, if those capsules at Stockholm 2021 are 4 times more expensive, it's at least going to be $5, and most likely it's probably going to go up if there's no sale right away confirmed. Overall though, I think it's definitely going to be really interesting to see for the future here if we do not get a sale, and obviously there is a ton of time left. I mean, this is a pretty preemptive video. We haven't gotten a sale obviously since the end of the major, but there's still at least till December 20th that these major items are going to be in the shop. So I wouldn't go just panic investing yet, obviously, but it's definitely something you should keep on your radar if you're looking to invest. Potentially keep watching that date as it winds down, if we get more and more likely to get a sale, if Valve is kind of hinting at it or not. But as always guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.